Discover top-notch DJ controllers under $1,000 that elevate your mixing experience without breaking the bank. Unleash your creativity with precision control, seamless connectivity, and dynamic features tailored to both beginners and seasoned pros. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best DJ controllers under $1,000 you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which musical instrument topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Pioneer Electronics DDJ200 is not just another DJ controller. It's your gateway to the world of DJing. It's affordable yet packed with features that make it the number 5 best DJ controller under $1,000. This smart DJ controller is designed to be easy to use, making it perfect for beginners and aspiring DJs alike. With its lightweight and compact design, the DDJ200 boasts a pro-style layout that helps you learn to mix effortlessly. Whether you're spinning tracks at parties or honing your skills at home, this controller lets you put your twist on the music. You can play tracks from your smartphone or PC and Mac using various DJ apps and software, including the dedicated free app WeDJ for iPhone, DJ, Edging Mix, and even Spotify. To help you develop your mixing skills, Pioneer DJ offers a comprehensive 5-day tutorial course in partnership with renowned DJ Hoppa. This course covers everything from music theory to effects, rhythm, tempo, mixing, looping, and more, ensuring that you're well equipped to create professional-sounding mixes. Priced at $159. The Native Instruments Traktor Kontrol S2 Mark III is a top-tier 2-channel DJ system that ranks as the 4th best DJ controller under $1,000. This versatile controller is designed for DJs who want to mix anywhere, with features that cater to both house parties and club environments. Equipped with Traktor Pro 3 software, this controller offers a comprehensive set of professional tools, including looping, beat syncing, and an array of club-grade effects. The Traktor Kontrol S2 Mark III boasts an intuitive layout that allows for quick and seamless mixing. Its high-end audio interface and USB power make it a portable yet powerful option for DJs on the move. The controller features large, responsive jog wheels, ideal for beat matching, scratching, and navigating tracks. 8 cue point pads per deck enable DJs to jump to different parts of a track, while the looping functions ensure tight, synchronized mixes. Priced at $339. Unleash your DJing potential with the Hercules DJControl Inpulse 500, ranked as the number 3 best DJ controller under $1,000. Crafted to propel your DJ journey forward, this controller offers a comprehensive array of features tailored to elevate your skills and captivate your audience. Experience precision like never before with high-definition resolution on the jog wheels, complemented by an intuitive ring interface. The controller boasts a cutting-edge audio interface powered by Velvet Sound AKM technology, ensuring pristine sound quality for both inputs and outputs. Built to endure the rigors of live performance, the DJControl Inpulse 500 features a sturdy metal backing plate, rubber RGB pads, and non-slip retractable feet for stability. Its accessibility is enhanced by helpful light guides, keeping you on track during public performances. Included are 2 leading DJ programs, Serato DJ Lite and Juiced, along with interactive training programs and video tutorials for seamless skill enhancement. Additionally, innovative features such as Intelligent Music Assistant and Autoplay empower you to curate dynamic sets effortlessly. With a price tag of $299, the Hercules DJControl Inpulse 500 offers exceptional value, enabling you to unleash your creativity and achieve your DJing aspirations with confidence. The Pioneer DDJ FLX4 is a top choice for beginners looking to dive into the world of DJing. This 2-channel DJ controller boasts a simple yet professional design, making it easy to mix tracks and apply high-quality effects. Perfect for newcomers and those looking for a compact setup with new features, The DDJ FLX4 offers a flexible, creative experience. The controller is compatible with both Rekordbox and Serato DJ Lite, with free software connections available for PC and Mac users. Upgrading to Serato DJ Pro is possible with a paid license or subscription. The DDJ FLX4 also integrates seamlessly with streaming services like Tidal, Beatport Streaming, Beat Source Streaming, and SoundCloud Go+, giving users access to millions of tracks to mix and customize with various effects. Designed with durability and portability in mind, the DDJ FLX4 features a lightweight and flexible design. It includes USB audio output for microphone sound, allowing users to MC or sing over their sets effortlessly. This feature also makes it ideal for live streaming, providing a comprehensive solution from a single device. The controller's robust construction ensures long-lasting performance, with interchangeable cables and accessories adding to its versatility. Priced at $290. Introducing the Roland DJ controller DJ505, hailed as the premier DJ controller under $1,000. It's a powerhouse, packed with tools designed to elevate your performances to new heights. With its seamless integration of Serato DJ Pro and Roland's iconic TR drum machine sounds, the DJ505 transcends mere mixing to enable spontaneous beat creation and live remixing directly from the controller. Featuring 2 channels and deck select for up to 4 decks, the DJ505 boasts large, low-latency platters optimized for scratching, alongside fully editable drum kits from Roland's legendary TR series. Its compact yet feature-rich design makes it ideal for mobile DJs, club performances, or studio setups. Equipped with balanced XLR outputs, booth outs, and multiple headphone jacks, it ensures professional-grade connectivity. The DJ505's intuitive controls allow for seamless manipulation of hot cues, loops, and samples, while its scratch-friendly platters provide responsive, lag-free performance akin to traditional turntables. Utilizing Roland's ACB technology, it faithfully reproduces the iconic sounds of the TR series, offering endless possibilities for rhythm creation. Priced competitively at $700, the DJ505 offers unparalleled value, combining high-end performance with portability and versatility. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.